You follow the official steps, but the transfer simply fails or the QR code never appears. Why does this happen? First, the new WhatsApp installation must be completely fresh. Second, the process is highly sensitive to connectivity and permissions. You must be on the same Wi-Fi network, and both phones need full local network and sometimes location services permissions enabled. Let's look at the correct, step-by-step process for the official QR code method. On your old iPhone, go to WhatsApp settings, then Chats, and tap Transfer Chats to iPhone. Tap Start and approve any camera and network permissions. Keep this screen open. On your new iPhone, launch the app, agree to the terms, and verify the exact same phone number. Instead of prompting for an iCloud restore, your new iPhone should now display a QR code. Use your old iPhone to scan this code. Both phones must stay unlocked, close together, and connected to power until the transfer is complete. Do not touch the Done button on the old phone until the new phone confirms 100% transfer. What if you've already set up your new iPhone, installed countless apps, and refused to factory reset the entire device just for WhatsApp? That's where the best professional tool comes in. We recommend MagFone Chats Transfer. This powerful software completely bypasses the official limitations. Its biggest advantage is that it transfers all your WhatsApp chats, media, and settings directly from your old iPhone to your new iPhone using a computer, without needing to reset the new device. It's perfect for when the official method fails or you've already completed the phone setup.